Hello, can I help you find a book?
It's RSS.
Okay, this is pretty good. Not as good as the tacos I made from HelloFresh a couple days ago, but very good nonetheless. I really like the sour cream sauce. I wish I had more, honestly. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. My name's Elizabeth if you're new. I make a lot of fashion videos and lifestyle vlogs. I'm sorry, I am a little sick, so just wanted to throw that out there. This vlog is not going to be overly exciting. I've been in quarantine for 8 days and I'm not allowed to leave the house. So I wanted to preface the vlog with that. And also I'm going to be doing a Q&A. I have a lot of new subscribers, like a ton of new subscribers since the last time I did one of these. So if you have any questions about me, or if there's things that you want to know about my life, or like what my opinion is on certain things, just let me know in the comments down below. Also, you can DM me on Instagram. I always link my Instagram in every single video. My Instagram handle's @LizabethDavisXO. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Leave your questions down below and follow me on Instagram, and let's get into it. What's up, guys? Today is another day in quarantine. I think I might have coronavirus, so I don't feel very good. I've just been laying here all day. I did manage to get a Starbucks delivered to me. I don't know if it's something I should be drinking, but I'm thankful that I don't have it very bad and my mom doesn't have it very bad, but it still sucks really bad. I can't do anything. I don't even have like strength to do anything if I wanted to, which I do want to. So I don't know what I'm gonna be doing the rest of the day. I've just been reading my Bible and trying not to be in a negative mood because I can't do anything. So that's all I've got for now, folks. Whatever I eat later, I'll show you because that's about as interesting as it's gonna be. Okay, so I know you guys are gonna think I'm nuts, but I put some makeup on and filmed a video because I was so bored that I literally couldn't stand just laying in bed. I feel like a little better, although I keep having to use my inhaler, which makes me like kind of nervous because, you know, they say if you like have trouble breathing to go to the hospital, but I don't know. I feel like it's not anything out of the ordinary. Like, I have asthma, so if it were to progress like even a little bit, I would call my doctor. Might even just call her tomorrow just to be safe, but I feel fine other than like really tired at times. I can still taste and smell. Like, I haven't had my COVID test yet, so it's really hard to say for sure. But being that I live in the same house with two people who have had it, it's like hard to really say that I feel like I have the same symptoms as my mom. So anyway, I have a meeting with some people at my church. They are supposed to FaceTime me, and then we are going to talk about some youth related stuff because I am a youth group leader at my church, which I love doing. So that's kind of like the hardest part about having to quarantine is I can't really like be around them right now, obviously. So, but yeah, I've just been chilling today and yesterday, and then we were supposed to have steak tonight and Walmart didn't have them. So we have our groceries delivered to us right now, and they were apparently out of like almost everything we ordered. So my mom had to like order pizza real quick. So now we're having pizza for dinner. And I just made a reel. I made a reel on Instagram about an hour ago. It's the first reel I've ever made. And it was kind of weird. Like, I'm not really into them, but in order to, you know, be abiding by the algorithm's rules, you have to do like all the features that Instagram offers, which obviously one of them is Reels. So if you're trying to grow your Instagram, apparently you're supposed to make Reels and do live videos and IGTV and obviously storying and all of that. But I don't really like Reels. IGTV I'm cool with, and lives, like I like doing live streams, but beyond that I just like to post photos. But I don't know, I guess Reels are like slightly growing on me like a little bit, but not that much. So okay, I've got to get ready for this FaceTime call, so I'll check in with you after. I just got in a package. These are our blue light glasses. These are from Amazon. I'm so excited. One's with the reading glasses version. Oh, these are so cute. These are like a blue one. I kind of wish that I had these, like that I needed readers. Those are so cute. So if you need reading glasses and you want like blue light glasses but don't want to wear two pairs, I can link these ones below. They have different like magnifications that you can order. I'm not going to show you guys all those because I'm not going to be wearing them. So okay, then these ones are mine. Ooh, come with a little pouch. That's nice. Okay, these are super cute. These ones look like my old ones that I broke. I break glasses and sunglasses all the time. Hello. Can I help you find a book? I feel like a librarian with these on. Okay. It's like a little try-on. Okay. And then these are just black frames. I'll probably take these ones to work. I'm really gonna feel like a librarian with these ones. How you doing? I have one more pair. These are my favorites. They're pink. Pink is my favorite color. Are they cute? Okay, so that's all I got from Amazon this time, but I wanted to show you guys. Because, well, I'm stuck in the house and have nothing to do but show stuff that I've bought online while in quarantine.
Why did all the real ones go? Why is my night so slow? Ink seeping in my skin, hoping it could heal my soul. No, I gotta get my own. Swear we on different roads. I'm burning a f***ing bridge, cause I ain't gon' pay no toll.
Okay, so I just made a cold brew coffee. We did an Instacart order yesterday from Aldi, and I decided to get some cold brew because, you know, I can't really go to Starbucks and it's expensive to like have stuff delivered. So I figured it was better than nothing. Obviously not as good as Starbucks, but it'll do. The list of things that I want to do first when I get out of quarantine keep like adding up. So the first thing I want to do is go thrift shopping. I don't even know why, I just really want to go thrifting. Then I want to hit up a new coffee shop. Then I want to visit my favorite restaurant because I haven't been there since I think I went there with a couple girlfriends like a couple weeks ago, but before that I haven't been there since before Christmas. I'm about to start reading. I haven't done any devotionals yet. I had to schedule my COVID test and that took me a few minutes because I had to get my insurance card pulled up and sign in and everything. So my COVID test is scheduled for tomorrow. I am going to be doing the rapid test, and then I'll probably have to take another one again before I return to work, especially if the one that I take tomorrow comes back positive. So I'm going to be reading my Love Like You've Never Been Hurt book and the Bible because I haven't read the Bible in a couple days. So I'm going to catch up on some reading today. I don't really have any videos to edit or film, so that's good because this vlog is going to be going up Friday, which is when you'll be seeing it. So I watched The Bachelor last night. I can't even. We're going to be going live on Instagram with Haley Crow on Sunday. I think between like 12 and 1 Central Time, so you need to stay tuned because I think we both have a lot to say about this past episode, so stay tuned for that. All right, so I'm about to watch Julia and Hunter's new vlog. I haven't seen any of their moving vlogs yet. Got some Bob Evans. Let's see. Got all I've had today is avocado toast, so oof, yes. All I've been able to vlog is food, but I've been eating a lot of good food, that's for sure. Okay, I just thought I would do the daily COVID update. I go for my test tomorrow, and I'm like on the fence. I don't know if like I have it or not. I know that I have some symptoms of COVID, but that does not, of course, mean that I have it. It could just mean that I have the flu or something. I have no idea, so we'll find out tomorrow. I'm currently about to shop on Zara because I want to do a clothing haul, so I'm either gonna do, I think I mentioned this already, like Boohoo, Shein, Zara, somewhere like that. And also I really want to bake a cake tomorrow, so I'm hoping to God that I feel well enough to do that. I'm gonna make like a little Valentine's Day themed cake, and I think it'll be really fun. And then I also have some HelloFresh meals that I want to cook too, so we'll see what happens. Ooh, girl, I need some sleep, but I'm not tired yet. I actually just got done talking to my friend on the phone, and now I'm going to read my book, which right now I'm reading Beach Read, and it's so good. It's so cute, and just like, it gets me here, and that doesn't happen very much, especially with books and movies. So I definitely recommend Beach Read. It's really a quick read. It's easy to follow. It doesn't require a lot of brain cells, and it's such a good story. Beach Read by Emily Henry. Put it on hold at your library or purchase it now. It's so good. You will not regret it.
Running those doing laps around them, 'cause it's do or die. It's do or die. Now keep on.
Here is my brunch and the coffee I had delivered because I can't go without my Starbucks. Hello everyone, welcome back to another day in quarantine. It feels like 2020 all over again, being stuck in the house. But everything is still going well, I guess. Nothing has progressively gotten worse, so that's good. I'm going for my COVID test later today, and then depending on how I feel, I'm going to bake a cake. So for Valentine's Day, for funsies, because I have nothing else to do, so I figured baking a cake would be fun. I'm gonna pick up my room a little bit and make my bed. I haven't really done that much the last couple days just because I felt so tired and weak, but today I feel pretty good, so I'm gonna go for it.
This tunnel vision is all I witness. Know you've been through it. Please come back to earth for me. This was just a seed that you planted in dirt for me. It's worth something. I've been trying to show them the worst of me. Name me one person who would steal from a purse for me. It hurts, don't it? We got some demons in common, but not the same lows. 5'9", but you be 6 feet deep and find a
Okay,
halo.
so I just got here for my COVID test. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a little like tent area right there. Ugh. It just grosses me out. Like the actual test doesn't gross me out, but the virus itself, I'm just like, ugh. Ew. I don't know. Like also the thought that like I could have it grosses me out too. Makes my stomach kind of hurt a little bit. But anyway, I'll let you guys know what happens and if I have it or not whenever I find out.
And I've been waiting so long, yeah, to have you by my side. That I felt it all, we've been alone.
So I'm sitting here editing this vlog and I realized that all I keep saying is quarantine, 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 quarantine. And I never told you guys how my test results went. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week and I'll see you in next week's weekly vlog. Adios.